Hey gorgeous! It's me, Jackie Reyes, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin all about skin barrier or moisture barrier. So if you're into skincare and sometimes makeup, please keep on watching. Okay, so yung skin barrier or moisture barrier, yan yung outermost layers ng ating skin na nagpo-protect sa atin against external irritants. In this image, makikita nyo yung healthy versus a damaged na skin barrier. Dun sa healthy na skin barrier, napoprotect niya tayo against allergens or yung sinabi ko nga na external irritants. And kapag damaged yung skin barrier natin, allergens can easily get into our skin na nagko-cause ng skin problems like premature aging, breakouts, or even transepidermal water loss. So, if you feel na yung skin nyo parang dry, flaky, irritated, dehydrated, or yung mga products na ginagamit nyo before na wala namang irritation, ngayon pag ginagamit nyo, meron na kayong tingling sensation na nafe-feel or parang andali na maging, parang sensitized na yung skin nyo, madali na siyang mairita. Or sometimes, pwedeng tight yung feeling nyo, at the same time oily yung skin nyo, you may have a damaged skin barrier. Ano ba yung common causes bakit nadadamage ang ating skin barrier? So, number one, yung over-washing ng face, over-exfoliating, sun exposure, lack of sleep, yung papalit-palit na weather condition, and as we age, also nagiging weak ang ating skin barrier. Here are some ingredients na can help repair our damaged skin barrier. So, merong ingredients for skin barrier restoration. Ito yung ceramides, free fatty acids, natural moisturizing factors, and of course, niacinamide. And then for water-retaining ingredients naman, we have hyaluronic acid or pwede din yung sodium hyaluronate, glycerin, and panthenol. And also, we need to have skin-soothing ingredients like aloe extract, centella asiatica, or calendula extract. So, ito yung mga some ingredients na can help repair our skin barrier. So, paano nyo nga ba marirepair ang inyong damaged na skin barrier? So, guys, madali lang. All you have to do is go back to your basic skincare routine. Ano yung mga yan? Cleanse, moisturize, protect. Tatlong skincare products lang ang kakailanganin nyo para matulungan na ma-repair yung inyong damaged na skin barrier. So, sa cleansing, you have to make sure na you only wash your face twice a day. Maximum na po yun. Pero if you feel na 2 beses na nga lang kayo naghihilamos ng mukha, pero irritated pa rin yung pakiramdam, itry nyo na in the morning, just wash your face with water, lukewarm water. Huwag niyo munang gamitan ng malamig or mainit na tubig. So, talagang lukewarm water, hinamusan nyo lang, tanggalin nyo lang yung excess oil na nakuha nyo overnight. And then, at night na lang kayo gumamit ng gentle na facial cleanser. So, for facial cleansers, meron akong tatlong product na marirecommend sa inyo. Yung affordable or yung pinakamura is the Celeteque Hydration Facial Cleanser or Facial Wash. 140 pesos lang yata yun sa Watsons with 100 ml of product na. That's very good kasi I already checked the ingredients list and safe talaga siyang gamitin para sa merong damage na skin barrier. And yung pangalawa, yung ginagamit ko, which is the Cerave na Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Ito nung damage yung skin barrier ko, nung nagkaroon ako ng breakout, ito talaga yung nakatulong para ma-save yung mukha ko. Kasi nga, it's just basic na cleanser, tapos meron siyang ceramides and hyaluronic acid na nakatulong sa pag-strengthen ng aking skin barrier. And of course, yung pangatlo, medyo mahal siya. Pero guys, don't worry. Itong mga products na i-share ko sa inyo, meron kayong makikita sa Shopee, yung mga decant or yung mga takal na skincare products nila doon, na pwede nyo munang subukan na hindi ganun kamahal, di ba? Hindi full price. Kasi nga, magsasample pa lang naman kayo, susubukan nyo pa lang, mayroong mga 20 ml, 50 ml na pwede nyo itry, tapos makukuha nyo siya sa affordable price. And malalaman nyo pa kung hiyang kayo dun sa product na yun o hindi. Hindi kayo masyadong nagsayang ng pera. So, yung pangatlo is the Krave Matcha Hemp Cleanser. That's very good as well. Mapapansin nyo yung tatlong cleanser na shinare ko sa inyo. Lahat sila hydrating cleanser. Kasi yan talaga yung kailangan nyo. You have to bring back hydration sa inyong skin. Kasi nga, due to damaged skin barrier, nagkaroon na kayo ng transepidermal water loss or yung moisture sa skin nyo, nag-evaporate na siya kasi damage ang ating skin barrier. Moisturizer, meron din akong tatlong product recommendation sa inyo. Meron ding mura, which is the Celeteque Hydration Facial Moisturizer. That's very affordable, parang nasa 200 plus or 150 lang yata yun with 50 ml of product. And next, yung ginagamit ko, itong Illiyoon, Ceramide, Ato Concentrate Cream. Meron to mas maliit na variant eh. Not sure if it's 30 or 75 ml. Tapos, itong kahit yung guys, yung malaking to, 200 ml to, pero nakuha ko lang siya ng 600 plus, which is talagang tipid. Kasi, di ba sa moisturizer, you only need a little lang naman. Parang ako usually, ganito lang karami yung ginagamit ko for my entire face and neck na yan. And 600 plus for 200 ml of product is worth the price. And doon naman sa, parang sabihin na nating splurge or medyo nasa pricier level na moisturizer, pwede ko mai-recommend sa inyo yung sa Hada Labo na nasa pink na tub. Hydrating cream yun eh. So, or if you want, meron din kayo mabibili dun sa Watson sa parang nakapack siya na perfect combination for deeply moist skin. Yun yung tawag. Less than 500 pesos. Meron na yung facial wash. Meron na siyang toner. Alam ko, toner is not that necessary. Pero, if you want to just add boost, to add hydration and to boost hydration, you can use a toner. Ako at that time, yung ginagamit ko yung Laneige na Cream Skin Refiner. Bumili lang ako yung tag 50 ml, tapos nilipat ko lang siya dito. So, tatlong ganun yung binili ko, tapos ito 150 ml yung pwede dito. So, saktong-sakto siya. Tapos, parang nakatipid ako kasi at that time, parang 600 pesos, tatlong ganun na yung nabili ko yung 50 ml. Just to add hydration sa skin. Pero again, toner is not essential. Parang additional hydration lang siya. And of course, yung last step is to protect. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Gumamit tayo ng sunscreen. So, sa sunscreen, kailangan physical or mineral sunscreen ang gagamitin natin kasi safe yon sa mga sensitive skin type. So, yun talaga yung parang appropriate na gamitin nating sunscreen when we have a damaged skin barrier. So, meron akong tatlong physical na sunscreen na i-share sa inyo or i-recommend. Ang una is this one, Face Republic Purity Sun Essence. Ito yung una. Meron akong review dito. Just check the link down below. I'll be adding it para makita nyo yung review ko sa product na to. Pangalawang sunscreen recommendation ko is the one from Axis Y. Yun yung complete no stress physical sunscreen. It's also a very good sunscreen. I'll be doing a separate video on that. And yung pangatlo is the one from Pyunkang Ato Mild Sun Cream. Pero meron lang yung SPF 45, PA+++. Pwede yun kasi it's a physical sunscreen na merong ceramide. So, maganda talaga siya. Pero, para lang inform ko kayo, more on indoor sunscreen siya guys. Hindi siya pang outdoor na sunscreen. Kasi ang ginamit lang na UV filter doon, titanium dioxide alone. Mag-isa lang siya. So, parang pang indoor lang siya na sunscreen rather than pang outdoor. Of course, if you have the money to splurge, tapos gusto nyo pang mag-add ng serum, ako, ang serum na marirecommend ko, again, hindi to essential. Kung gusto nyo lang naman na mag-add ng serum, ang habang nire-repair nyo inyong damaged na skin barrier, pwedeng-pwede tong from Krave, yung Great Barrier Relief, kasi meron tong ceramides na kasama, may niacinamide to na 2% din na very good sa pag-strengthen ng ating skin barrier, pag-moisturize, pag-protect, and at the same time, it's brightening. May additional benefits pa kayo na makukuha. And soothing ingredient na talagang makakatulong while you are repairing your skin barrier. Kaya nga, di ba, ang pangalan din niya, Great Barrier Repair, kasi makakatulong talaga siya sa pag-repair ng inyong skin barrier. Again, this is not necessary. Hey guys! Sorry I forgot to do an outro. Hope you like this video and please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye!